Hi! In front of me is Motorola One 5G Ace, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off autocorrection on this device. First of all, you need to open Settings. Now scroll all the way down and click on System. Then select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. Finally, click on Text Correction, scroll down just a bit, and tap on this switcher next to Autocorrection to switch it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!